So for our yummy pani puri, we are going to make a base of spicy tangy things. I will introduce. We have got a lemon juice, 1 lemon juice. We have got some fresh mint, fresh cilantro, 2 tablespoons to 3 tablespoons of pani puri masala. I have about 1 tablespoon of jaggery in form of cubes, and then I've got half teaspoon of roasted jeera powder, half teaspoon of salt, black salt, and Kashmiri red chili. So we are going to make a spicy. We will add a lot of water. We'll just run it in the blender with a lot of water, and that will be my spicy base. So we are going. Aarti, can you not do anything for 1 minute? So here it is. My base, spicy base is ready. I'm going to add pomegranate and guava juice in it. That's it. We are going to just mix it, and it is ready to go with your golgappas. Make it this way. This will really surprise you how tropical fruits can make pani puri so interesting, so yummy. Thank you for watching. Like and share. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Thank you. So to finish it, after mixing, I'm going to add some bundi and give it a mix. Let it soak. This is one of the yummiest pani puri you will ever try. These tropical fruits really do the magic. Like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.